Hey guys, I'm Will Scott. Thank you so much for your interest in Regency. I know that change is hard. I spent 13 years at another brokerage, but I can tell you how amazing Regency is, and I'm so thankful I made the change. We hope to see you soon, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.
Hey, thank you for your interest in Regency. We're so excited at the possibility of having you join us. My name's Diana Antone, and I am the chairman of the board this year at Regency. If there's anything I can do for you, by all means, reach out. I'm mostly in the Dana Point office, but I do get up to Mission Viejo regularly. Thanks again.
Thank you so much for your interest in Regency Real Estate Brokers. I personally am Julie Moran, and I've got an office down at Dana Point, and anytime that you'd like an office tour for the Mission Viejo office or down at Dana Point, I would be happy to show you around if you haven't seen it already. But thank you so much for your interest, and we'll see you soon.
Hey there, I am one of the shareholder partners at Regency Real Estate. My name is Quinn, and we just are so excited that you have some interest in joining a possible ownership share in our company. We have our Dana Point office, we have our Mission Viejo office, and we've got a fabulous culture here. And it just seems like you may be a fit into our culture, and we would love to explore that possibility with you further. So we thank you for your potential interest in Regency, and we look forward to answering any of your questions because it's not just a move to a company, but it is a move to an ownership position. Thanks for listening.
Come to Regency!